Alright, welcome to the video, man. We're gonna see if we can get this done in less than 10 minutes. So, we're cleaning this today. This is my first time doing it. I don't have all the products, so we're gonna be using just a regular old toothbrush. A couple of these just in case if I need them. Just a regular towel. Use a microfiber towel if you have one. If you got time, go and buy one. And they have electronic cleaner, but I don't have none of that either. I may or may not use this, but I know alcohol absorb, it evaporates fast. So that's why I have that here just in case. But you'll grab a little pen right here. Pull it off. Damn. I don't remember how this gets pulled. So this should be fun. Okay. And that comes off. A little dust in there. Definitely some dust in here. This right here is what made me want to open it up. So just gonna start off with this real quick. Just dab. Don't need a lot. Just get in here. Clean that down. Okay. Get that out the way. Bring this back. I'll grab one of these. So I don't know if you can see it, but it get real nasty in that area right there where that fan is. So you're just gonna take it, you're gonna brush everything away from the fan. It's gonna cake up in there like that. Just gonna brush it away. Brush it away. Then this, just try not to knock it inside of it, because I've already looked inside of here, which I'm gonna show you a close up, but it's not really a lot of dust in there. Luckily, it's just a lot around it. So really it's just preventative maintenance at this point. Do this every month, or once every other month. Keep it out of here. And if you do this every month, say every other month, take this apart and get inside of there. But right now, we don't really need that. So and just so we can check in here. It's not really, it's something in there, but it's nothing crazy. All right. So that part is pretty much done, man. It's just a quick clean. And what I've noticed, I put it on here and slide it up like this, just because they have these ridges like that, right? You remember PS button to this PS sign right here. So grab it. You'll feel it sitting in, and you'll hear it click in. Now we back stuck. Do a quick turn. So this one, you grab, you pull up, and push this way. So you round, boom, boom. Pull that off. Get in here. And there's all that caked up stuff in there as well. Do this first. Do another wipe down. Unbroke the top. Alcohol wipe down. Bam, bam. And do the same process for this. So go with the ridges and wipe out. Wipe out. Caked up dirt. Wipe back in through the other way. Alright. Then I wipe this side. Alright. Then I wipe out. Dirt and dust gonna be this game's worst enemy. So it'd be best to monitor the dust buildup if you want it to last long. Alright. After that, put top back on. Just remember, bam, bam. You'll hear a click. Then all I'll do, just to finish her down, dab that down a little bit, and this whole little thing right here. I guess I'll try to bring it a little closer with the whole thing. Just wipe it down. Cause you know, remember I said alcohol gonna dissolve, just to get us another shine. Get us that fresh shine that it's supposed to have. Fresh shine. It's okay to do the back. This alcohol would not be on it long. You just wipe down. Just wipe down. And as you can see, it wasn't that much dust, luckily. I know some of y'all is probably crazy, but it's back clean through here, and that's where you're gonna see most of the dirt. I usually have mine standing up on the stand, so you usually see it in here. And that's how you know, man, it's about that time. We back clean. Show you the back. We're back clean. And now, oh yeah, I gotta clean the bottom of this, but we back clean. Now it's time to hook her back up and go on whoop some ass. So hey, if y'all play Madden 23, y'all play 2K23, or y'all be getting 24 on both of them. I'm a PS5 player, man. Drop your gamer tags below. Let's link. That's it.
Hey man, there's something about this mug, man.